This image hopefully will foreshadow your journey. The far left of this image are some words within an image. And the first one is Maya. And this is water, also known as the dosha Kapha in the East. Right above that is air. Air is known as Vata as a dosha. And we'll say that you're starting your discernment process between what is real and what is not real, what is true, what is not true, what is what you know, what is what you believe. And in your discernment between what is real and what's not real, you're going to start residing in the element of air, which is finally getting out of your water. The third experience that I'm hoping you'll have in time is when you start discovering Brahman, which is a higher truth that is shared with all. And this is knowledge, and we'll say this is knowledge of fire, which is known as the dosha Pitta, which is specifically knowledge of the self. In time, you will know of these three experiences. For right now, where you are right now is in the water, in the Kapha. To help you on your journey, there is three types of actions to know. And action simply means karma. These three actions are known as the gunas. Now, the simplicity is whenever we're believing something in error, we have two types of gunas, two types of actions. One type of action that we have when we're believing something that is an error is we can become depressed, lethargic, sad, isolated. Think of the turtle. This is known as tamasic, the tamasic guna. When you are believing something in error, you can start making deals, be a go-getter. People see you, you're jumping around. Think of the rabbit. This is known as rajasic. Now, rajasic and tamasic, the rabbit or the turtle, is a result of our beliefs. There is a third guna, third karma to know, third action. And this is the sattvic guna. And the sattvic guna is truth for all, that you know, that we all know. This is the harmonious action that we all desire. Now, what I'm going to show you over time, from the beginning to the end, is that you are three things in a combination in the now. And this is love, truth, and consciousness. And the hard thing for us to understand is, what is consciousness? So in this image, what consciousness is the reflection of the sunlight on water. The accuracy of this reflection is your truth in the now. What affects our ability to discern truth, or the greater truth for all, is the water, which is the now, which is the air that creates waves, makes it kind of hard to see, as well as the debris in the water. And the way this works is this. When you get triggered, it's as if you're in a little boat in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of a storm. And most of us are fearing and anticipating the next wave. If you use your trigger instead of your trigger using you, and you use this as an opportunity to look into your water, what you will discover in time is your trigger is a reflection of what you believe. And what you believe is stored in you as a past experience. And they call this manas. This is very much like your subconscious. Every single experience that you've ever had is stored in you, very much like a HDMI security monitor that's recording everything. And we have a hard time to get out of this thought process, of this discernment that we have. We keep identifying with what we believe, which is usually tamasic or rajasic. The next time you get triggered, the idea is that you're not going to react. What you're going to do when you get triggered, you believe you're in this little boat anticipating the next wave. But I'm going to tell you the simplicity is this. You are the water. Steady your water. Focus on that. Learn how to steady your water. You're going to have to use the element of air, which is breathing. You're going to start working on meditating, and you're going to look into what is it that you believe? What is it that you want? What is it that you fear? In time when you can steady your water, what you're going to be looking at is the accuracy of the now, the greater truth for all. You'll basically be comparing what you believe of the now, what you think of the now, to what the now is when you are calm. And in time, you're going to work on the accuracy of the reflection of the sun on the water. Just keep stilling your water, and good luck on your journey. Aloha.